Hey, what's up? Today we're gonna make something like this. So strange, huh? But not so hard. So let's start it. First select parts that you wanna add and then move them to the main image and resize and rotate them. Alright, now for the leg part, I want to set the knee by finger joint. First rotate it so you can set the size. Okay, delete the extra part and then right click on the layer and choose layer via cut. So we have two legs in two layers apart from each other. Now for each leg, from edit menu, choose puppet warp and add some rotation points, then make some changes to the legs as you can see in the video. Now add mask to the finger layer, then by using brush paint black on parts that shouldn't be seen. As you can see, legs and fingers have some color and brightness differences. So by adding some adjustment masks and some changes, we try to match them somehow. Different images, different adjustments, you know that. Alright, for these legs I thought it's better to have some blur effects, so I use blur tool from toolbar. Now delete parts of the leg by a brush with no hardness. Alright, that's awesome. I want to add a six-pack on the hand. What do you think about that? So let's select it from somewhere and then add it to the image. Now add some shadows on that leg. Okay, now I want to merge visible layers and burn some parts by burn tool from toolbar. Alright, that was it. So easy, so beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to stay tuned for more videos. Support my channel by pushing the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.